Hey guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV1, and today I am so excited because we are at a Treehouse Villa and we get to stay here for the weekend. So I'm going to give you a tour of our Treehouse Villa. It's right here behind me, and we got this Treehouse Villa from a very sweet anonymous hopper. So thank you so much to this anonymous hopper. We really appreciate it. So yeah, let's get started with the tour. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so there are 60 Treehouse Villas on this property, and there are 4 right here in this area, and back here is our villa. So there's a little path back here. One thing you need to know is you're only allowed to bring 1 car, so you can't bring multiple cars. There is a parking lot where you can park some more cars, but right here at the villa there's only room for 1 car per Treehouse Villa. Okay, so this is our villa. We had 7041. There is a little grill right here, which is nice. Secluded back here in the woods. And here are the stairs to go up to our villa. Let's go on up. Door is right to the right as you come up the stairs, and then over to the left is our little deck or balcony area. So it's really nice. There's a table with some chairs, there's another bench over there, and we have a view of the golf course, which is really nice. Pretty view. There were some golfers here just a little bit ago. Very nice and quiet. And so far not very buggy, which is nice. So okay, let's head inside and take a look at the inside. Alright, we're inside our villa, our Treehouse Villa, and it is gorgeous. So we've already been in, had a look around, and it is amazing. So can't wait to share it with you guys. So you walk in, and first thing you spot is this nice table here. I love it. It reminds me of a, you know, kind of a wilderness lodge feel to the whole villa, which makes sense because we're kind of out in the wilderness. So I like this tile that they have as you walk in, and then the kind of like palm tree looking carpet. I have heard these were refurbed. I'm not quite sure what year they were refurbed, but very nice. So here's the table. It looks like it sits about 6. Decent sized table. And then our window out there. Looks like, oh, there's some golfers now out there. Don't know if you can see them or not. There's a nice living room over here with a couch and 2 chairs. And I'm pretty sure the couch pulls out. It's a pull-out couch. And then also the chair. So it does sleep 9, because there are 3 bedrooms. And then the pull-out couch and the pull-out chair would make 9 places to sleep. And there's the TV. Of course, we have resort TV on. Nice little cubby that they have the TV in there. I love this little end table here. Really cool. And there's another neat one over here. And I love these ceiling to floor windows. It makes it really nice and bright in here. It is getting a bit cloudy outside, but it makes it brighter. And that's a really cool lamp too. I like that. And the artwork back here, that's awesome as well. Almost, like I said, makes you feel like you're staying at the Wilderness Lodge. Okay, so back up front again. And there's a little pan around. Oh, I didn't show you the light fixtures, and really cool, and the fan. And I love the really high ceilings, which is really a neat feature. Makes it feel even bigger. I love those lights above the bar. And then I also want to show you, there's a nice mirror here, but to the right, as you're walking in the front door, there's a little closet, like a little coat closet. There's your safe. There's a vacuum, an ironing board, and yeah, a place to hang some coats, which you don't really need here in Florida. All right, let's go check out the kitchen. So there's 3 stools here. So you could, you know, seat about 9 people for eating. And there we have a dishwasher. We already went to Starbucks. A nice sink with the coffee maker and some tea. And then we pivot around. Cabinet space. There's the microwave. And I know this is a Disney Vacation Club, so it does come stocked with cups and glasses. Some different Tupperware in there. Oh, there's even a blender. Wow, that's cool. And there's plates, dishes, and some wine glasses down here. And then your grilling utensils, since there was a grill outside. Over here you have your stove, if you want to do some cooking. Full size, well, yeah, I think it's a full-size fridge. I like the artwork up here as well, these pictures. All right, let's go check out the bedrooms. So let's head back here first. So if you go straight back, let me turn on some lights here. To the left over here, it's a little closet with a washer and a dryer. So that's really nice if you're gonna be staying here for a while. And then here's the bathroom, one of the bathrooms, decent size. I love the tile work there in the shower. Of course you have your Mickey soaps, or Disney soaps, they're not Mickey soaps. That'd be cool though. Some pictures. Turn around, and here's the vanity. Alright, they even have places to hang your towels. And then over here is the first bedroom next to the bathroom. So here is a queen size bed. In this one, a nice mirror. Hi. Decent size room. There's a nice big TV in here. Some storage. I'm not really sure what's in here. Closet probably. Yep. Closet. They have extra blankets. There's even a high chair in here. Some hangers to hang clothes. There are 2 big windows in here. Again, ceiling to floor windows. And then your bed. And some end tables. Oh, and there's a nice piece of artwork over here. Believe, imagine, hope, and dream. I love that. All right, heading out of this bedroom, heading out of the bedroom into the next bedroom. Let me turn on some lights. Got a little cloudy outside. So this one has bunk beds. So that's pretty cool. Nice for the kids or adults. I think they're full size, or you know, twin size beds, and then another huge TV. I think these TVs are bigger than the one in the living room. You have a nice dresser. Oh, I love this lamp. That's awesome. There's another closet. I mean, you could just move in there. So there's a crib down there and a laundry basket, places to hang some clothes. Nice little bookshelf over here for storage. And then here's your bunk beds again. There's the ladder. Here's a little end table with a phone. And some cool looking trays. Oh my goodness, check out this pillow. Oh my word. All right, let me get a closer look. Check it out. I put it over here in the light. It's Chip and Dale. Oh my goodness, this is perfect. I want to buy this pillow. That is awesome. I just noticed that now. All right, heading out of this bedroom. There's the kitchen again. We'll walk through over to the master bedroom. So here's the master. I have a desk in here. Nice little place you could put your suitcase and some storage, or it could be a bench. Another huge TV. And there's 3 big windows in here. There's the bed, queen size bed. I have some of my stuff in here already, sorry guys. I love that headboard, that's awesome. And over here, dresser. Outside view again. Looks like we have a view of the road. Nice full-length mirror. And a closet. I already put some clothes in here. I'm using the closet. Okay, let's go check out the master bathroom. I like that tile work they have on the floor. Nice big vanity. Oh, the air just kicked on. Big mirror. Light fixture. I love this sink, the faucet. That's cool. There's a separate toilet room over here. And then you have your shower and jacuzzi tub all in one, pretty much. So it's a nice shower head, but the shower is right here and then the tub is back there. That's kind of cool. Convenient. Nice stained window over here, stained glass window, or I'm not sure, but there's a cool print in the window there. One thing I forgot to show you in the master bedroom is the high ceiling again. I love that. Makes it feel really big. So yeah, there we go. That is our Treehouse Villa. So we are excited to stay here and enjoy it for the weekend. So yeah, thanks again to the anonymous Hopper for letting us stay here. We are so, so grateful. We are so excited. All right, guys, well, that is it from our Treehouse Villa. I hope you guys enjoyed checking it out with us. Now, this is connected to, or, you know, where you check in for this would be Saratoga Springs. So you can use Saratoga Springs pool, and they also have a pool here as well. And there's buses that come here and a boat that will take you to Disney Springs. So yeah, it's like being at a regular Disney hotel, which it is. It's just you know, a treehouse villa. So really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed checking it out with us. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. Leave us a comment down below if you've ever stayed in one of these treehouse villas, or if you're excited to stay in one day. This was always a dream for us to stay in one of these. We'd seen them and we're like, oh, that'd be so cool one day. So again, thank you so much, Anonymous Hoppers. And yeah, so again, make sure you're subscribed for more videos, and check out our sponsors, mickeyblog.com and mickeytravels.com, for the best in free Disney planning advice, and also windowrepairparts.us. Use the coupon code RESORTTV1 for 20% off your purchase. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.